Oh, here we go. Straight on. Look at that. Straight on, boys. Hi, boys. So the weather's not perfect. I've got a nice little outgoing tide. It's nice and choppy and muddy. But yeah, not perfect. Nice overcast day. So today, I'm just going to throw around maybe 20 minutes or so this Riptide 105. It's probably a bit big for the river. But yeah, I really want to just see how it swims and really target the big dogs if they're around. So yeah, let's get into it. If we don't get anything, I'll head over there with the light set up, flick some plastics around. Let's go. First cast on the Riptide. Let's see how she goes. Fuck, she's heavy. I think it's like 35 grams. That's terrible, guys. It's not really pumping either. Yep, here we go. What is this? Oh, you joking me? What is this thing? What are these fucking things? How we hooked that on fucking Riptide? Look at that shit. What the fuck? It went straight through him. Poor guy. That's why I brought a sock today, because these fucking things are spiky as shit. Fucking bastard. Fuck, that went straight through him, poor guy. It's not one of them. Yeah, there we go. Smaller shit, I think. What is this? Another one of these things. What's going on? The Grunters love these things. What's going on there? The hooks are so big though, it just like rips them all up. I don't know what they're thinking here. Kind of annoying. Might have to start eating these guys to cull the population down a bit, I think. This guy's cooked if he ever comes back. He might build up the water for me actually. Maybe we should live bait one of these. I wonder if Tailor eat these. Oh, something's busted up there. didn't expect to be catching little grunters on this lure, that's for sure. The reason why I'm using this is to see if we can just target the big 50 plus centimeter tailor. And for some reason I just keep catching little grunters on it. It's got like giant bloody 2-0 hooks on it. But look at these fucking things. It's ridiculous. Try to get back out here over there. I reckon one more and then we'll go on the white gear. Alright, I'm going to swap out for white gear. Really low tide here. Alright boys, so I've just swapped out light gear. Not much luck over there. I didn't think there was going to be. I just really wanted to test that lure out. So I'm just going to be flicking around this little 2.5 inch grub from Baitjunkie. This colour is called Oil Flash. It's like a two-tone motor oil, their fish oil with a bit of gold speck. So size 1 hook, 1/16, 6 pound. Let's go. Let's try to get something. I really need a decent brim. It's really low tide. But yeah, any excuse to use this rod. It's just so fun to use, like it's insane. Anytime I go fishing now, I always bring this with me. So I just want to use it all the time. Oh, here we go, straight on, look at that. Straight on, boys. Whew. I don't know what this is, it might be a brim. If I don't lose it, the structure here. Try to get it back. What is this? Oh, it's a flatty. Nice. It's a pretty good flatty too. Look at that, first cast. Oh, don't set me rod. Oh, here we go, little flathead. Straight away. Oh, he's off. Don't go down there, mate. Now pull my foot there so we don't go down. Look at that. Nice little flatty. Here's a decent flatty. Here you go, boys, look at that. First cast in, nice bar tail, in you go. On the grub. That's good. Low tide. It's supposed to be in the middle of an outgoing tide, so I don't know what's going on here. Nice little flatty. I thought it was a brim the way it was fighting. Whew. Don't even know where I casted for him. Yeah, I seen this colour and I was like, damn. Oh, my plastic's all fucked up. I seen this colour and I was like, that's an awesome colour. It's literally like the fish oil, the motor oil, two-toned with gold speck in it. Like, that's perfect for the overcast days down here. In this kind of like brownish but clear water. Perfect. Cast over here, let the current drift it back. Yep. Oh, again. What is this? This might be another flatty. Oh, he's taking his structure there. Try pulling back. Is he on? Oh, he's back on. Oh, it's a grunter. It's a big grunter. I thought it was a brim. Yeah, look at that. Decent sized grunter. Oh yeah, I've got my trusty sock. So I hate these guys. They're so spiky and they really hurt. We got that good. There you go. Get back in. Low tide, eh? It's popping off today. Not what I want though. Give me a brim. I think that tail's still caught up there. Too bad I only go in 8 minutes. Like he popped off good. He fought real good. He was actually a really decent sized grunter. That's crazy. Might have to start eating them to cull the population. Where's that West Oz fishing guy? He loves them. Come down to Narrows, mate, and get rid of all the grunters for us. I need to remember my brag mat today. I left it somewhere. I left my brag mat at the PWC boat ramp, I'm pretty sure. Still can't believe that flatty. He pounced on that. That was crazy. I was not expecting that. And we'll go over here where the drain is. Pull out along the drain. Again? I think, yeah, we're on again. I think this is Grunter. The way it's kind of going on. Oh, we were on. We're off now. Oh no, now we're back on. We went in again. You want another go at that? Yeah, another Grunter. Oh, you guys are everywhere today. What's going on here? They're literally everywhere. And all these small ones, they just go like the craziest lures. Like, I can't believe they'll go on that 105. This I'll just swim past to check her out, I don't know. But they always get like hooked up really bad. I feel bad. Like, this guy's got it good there. Here we bait. Wonder if Taylor ate them. Yep. Oh, this one's pretty good. Oh, he's off. Oh no, he went it again. He's on it again. He came off and went back for it. This is another Grunter, I think. What is this? Yeah, another Grunter. These guys, they don't care, right? They just go anything. There's a decent sized Grunter too. I'll have to give these a go one day. Help clean up the river. They're just super annoying because they're so spiky, man. I can't believe he came back for it again. Get out of there. At least this guy's got it in his jaw, so it's not going to fuck him up too much. He didn't want to let go. He did not want to let go of that. Yeah, anyways, it's 8:05. I'm going to give one more cast out this way. And then I think I'm going to have to call that a day. Hi boys, so fun little sesh. Got a nice fight here. Didn't get any Tailor, but I wasn't really expecting any Tailor this morning. I just really wanted to test out that lure. Can't believe we were hooking up the bloody Grunters on it. Like big 105, 20 hooks or whatever it's going at. It's insane. Might have to start trying out the trumpeters, or whatever they're called, Grunters. See what they taste like, because there's plenty of them here. And there were some big ones, like they were pulling like a brim. That big one that I caught was insane. It pulled like crazy. I thought it was a brim. Yeah, if you like this stuff, like and subscribe. Peace.